Game.
Game.
Game na. This is JM.
This is MJ.
We're here to make you laugh. And dahil wala kaming gagawa, dahil wala pa kaming pasok, go on with you. 1, 2, 3. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry around in your dress bed. And all I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get your medicine and your tummy ache. Build a fire when the furnace wakes. It could be so nice growing old with you. And I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in the kitchen sink. Reach the bed when you had too much to drink. Oh, we'll be the man grows old with you. I wanna grow old with you. Last day ko sa Baguio. Bukas, uwi na ako. Namiss ko na yung nataas sa Laguna. Woo! And, nga pala, yung mga, please subscribe us.
Subscribe!
TFC subscribers. Follow me at Twitter, at MabShopTheBoss. Kung kakulitan ng hunt nyo. Signing out. JM.
Okay.
Advance happy birthday nga pala sa classmate ni Ate Maan, si Reka Bautista. Salamat, happy birthday.